So I went and found one of the cleaning ladies and showed her that sign, and she said no, the pool isn't closed, and she took that sign away. So I'm about to go and fall in this motherfucker because I just woke up and it's hot as balls. Yeah. I wonder what this guy's making me right here, dude. I can't tell. The Canadians have gotten themselves some pickled pig's feet for lunch, dude.
Chicken.
Oh.
Fuck you.
Ooh, dude.
It's this one.
I've never seen anyone eat an entire raw chicken before, dude.
It's not wrong.
Alright, so after about 3 hours of walking through this entire town, I found a market which has beverages, and a couple of them are cold, or at least in a cooler. No telling if they're cold or not, but they are in a cooler, and that's the first time I've seen that, so I'm excited. Look at it, you can tell by my face. Alright, so I successfully have got this here dope ass Yamaha 150 motorbike with this fancy ass helmet. It's the lady's helmet because my brain is so huge. The only one that would fit me was her personal, so she's letting me use it, yo. I just got me second, me second scooter, Vietnam, here in Phu Quoc. Still trying to figure out how to say it the right way, but this thing, it's another Yamaha. I notice Honda like owns Thailand. Seems like Yamaha and Suzuki are more prominent here in Vietnam, which is interesting. But this thing it's a smooth ride, and the trunk under the seat there is fucking huge. So this helmet's definitely cool enough to just wear all the time, dude. There's no falling coconuts like there was in Vietnam. Well, at least not right here. But the helmet is definitely cool enough to just keep on wearing, you know. Might not take it off till I leave, I don't know. But, what is that back there, dude? Girl behind me singing is killing it, dude. She's behind that scooter. Can't see her right now. Killing it though, dude. Hell yeah. This place. Got that Munich cough. Everyone to Munich coughs. Or Muine. I don't know how to say it. This is an interesting piece of rock right here, dude. Apparently I'm not the only one who thinks so, because it kind of looks like they built a big old temple on top of it. That's pretty cool. Probably tells you all about it right here. Yes. It's like a street party around here, dude. No one's really partying, but we're definitely on the street. Fucking cotton candy, yo. Yes. Ice cream cones. Cotton candy. Fucking those people. What are those guys doing? I can't tell. It's like a miniature festival up here, dude. See? Killing it, yo. Balloons, whatever that stuff is. Meat on a stick. This, my scooter. It's all here, dude. It's all here. Jewelry. I don't know where we're at, but it's like beyond daylight around here. White light. Severe Kelvins up in here, dude. Kelvinus Maximus, dude. So, brother Andre here has brought me somewhere that's like beyond daylight. Beyond daylight. Everything is so white and so bright here. I can't even fucking see, dude. Good thing I got my shades, dude.
Ooh, that's actually not a bad plan.
Oh, damn, bro. You gotta plan ahead for streets like this, dog. Oh, hell yeah, bro. I should get one of those, dog. You were right.
Yeah.
The Canadians have brought me somewhere that has pretty much everything I never wanted, dude. I did see a keychain peddler, and I'm interested in that, but other than the keychains, there's nothing here for me, dude. Look at old brother Andre got himself a weird seafood and corn quesadilla.
I think so. I'm not sure yet.
I thought I saw some wiener in there. Is there wiener in there?
There is wiener in there.
Oh, hell yeah. Let me get a bite of the wiener, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's wiener, bro. So, I thought the crocodile wallet was cool, but then I saw the crocodile backpack, dude. Crocodile backpack, I think, is where it's at, yo. The goods.
Not really.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like when a group of wild Canadians gets caught in a rainstorm, dude.
Canadians getting wet.
Look at them. Canadians hate getting wet, dude. See? Dude's got water in his shirt right there, bro.
Canadians.
Damn. Tell him, loud. Canadians fucking hate getting wet, dude.
Hate.
What up, dude? It's like fucking crack of dawn. What? It ain't real, is it? What the fuck's going on here, dude? So, I went and found one of the cleaning ladies and showed her that sign. And she said no. The pool isn't closed. And she took that sign away. So I'm about to go and fall in this motherfucker. Because I just woke up and it's hot as balls. So, That scooter I scored yesterday is a beast. That one. The wheels and the tires are very small diameter, circumference, whatever. Like they're way smaller than that one. But thing rides like a Cadillac, dude. It's a Yamaha. Japanese. Hello. But it rides like a fucking Cadillac, dude. Somehow we've ended up at a resort with this guy and his tiny coffee shop right out in front of it, dude. Yesterday he made me 3 iced coffees and they were all fabulous. We have got an entirely new hotel. It's not a totel. It's a hotel. That's our illustrious host. This is the bar area, the self-service beer fridge, and the kitchenette area.
We're here now, so you don't have
It's a fucking tourism map, dude. Look at how excited they are about it. Hell yeah. Andre. What is that? What is that?
Delicious, delicious San Miguel.
No, that sound.
Oh, that's like an excavator, bro. Tiny excavator.
That thing? Damn, dude. Brutal.
Delicious, delicious sound of Vietnam.
Hello, dude. Canadians in the wild. They have no idea where they're at.
Are we lost again, bro?
Do you hear that sound? The sound of grinding metal, bro.
Wow.
This is what I just got, dude. I don't know what this is, but I'm into it. So is Andre. We just had a nice little family breakfast. It's like 4 p.m. It's true, we woke up and had like 5 beers. And then we had a nice family breakfast. Not sure what some of it was. But got some leftovers. We got tiny refrigerators in our rooms. That fucking rooster right there is about to snap. We got tiny refrigerators in our rooms. So leftovers are cool, yeah. I just don't get it, dude. This is our homeward stretch. Ooh. Gotta go get some snackage. Our fabulous host turned us on to looks like there might be a sunset going on over there, but our fabulous host turned us on to his favorite bar and his favorite place to eat, and his second favorite bar, and his second favorite bar is actually the bar we were at last night.